Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark in 3 different ways. In the comments down below, let me know which one is your favorite. Let's get on with the video. The first bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this geometric bookmark. The first thing you want to do is that you want to cut a bookmark of any shape or size out of any color of cardstock paper. After you're done cutting the bookmark out, you want to take any color of washi tape, and you want to place a piece of washi tape in any direction that you want on the bookmark. Then you want to take a second piece of washi tape, and you want to do the same thing, but you want to place the washi tape in a different spot, and in a different direction. You want to repeat these steps until you like how your bookmark looks, but make sure you leave a spot to leave a hole. Once you like how your bookmark looks, you can punch a hole into the bookmark with a hole puncher. Then you can take a piece of ribbon and fold it in half. Then you want to run the ends of the ribbon through the back of the bookmark. And then you want to pull the ends of the ribbon through the loop. If the ribbon is too long, you can cut it to make it shorter, and that's how you make this bookmark. The next bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this ombre bookmark with a doodle on it. The first thing you want to do is that you want to cut your bookmark into any shape or size out of white cardstock paper. Then you want to place the bookmark on a scrap piece of paper. For the ombre part of the bookmark, you're going to need 2 colors of acrylic paint and 2 paintbrushes. You want to start the ombre by taking one of those colors of acrylic paint, and you want to start painting one end of the bookmark, and you want to continue that color of paint to the middle of the bookmark. Then you can take a second paintbrush and the second color of acrylic paint, and you want to paint the other end of the bookmark, and you want to continue that color of paint to the middle of the bookmark. Once you get to the middle of the bookmark, you can quickly blend the 2 colors together, which will give you a third color in the middle and an ombre effect. You can blend the paint more easily by adding some paint to the paintbrush, and then you can wipe some of it off. And then you can blend what's left on the paintbrush onto the middle of the bookmark. I found that this helped me blend the colors more easily. Once you like how your bookmark looks, you want to pick up your bookmark and move it to a different place on the scrap piece of paper so it doesn't get stuck to the paper, and then you want to wait for it to dry. When the paint is dry, you can put a hole into the bookmark with a hole puncher. And then you can draw anything that you want on your bookmark with a pencil. I decided to draw a dream catcher, but you can draw whatever you would like. And I recommend drawing on a scrap piece of paper before drawing on your bookmark, so you don't mess the bookmark up. When you're done drawing on your doodle, you can go over it with a pen. If you're wanting to draw the dream catcher, you can watch me draw it to get an idea of how to draw it, or you can go find a picture to go off of to draw it. When you're done drawing it on, you can take a piece of ribbon, fold it in half, and run the ends of the ribbon through the back of the bookmark. Then you can pull the ends of the ribbon through the loop, and then you're all done. I love how this bookmark came out. It's my favorite out of all of the bookmarks. The last bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this marble bookmark. You want to print off a picture of marble onto white cardstock paper, and then you want to cut out your bookmark that's any shape or size. Once you have your bookmark cut out, you want to take a ruler and find where the middle of the bookmark is. And then you want to draw a line from the edge of the middle of the bookmark to a corner of the bookmark. Then you can place the bookmark on a scrap piece of paper. And you can paint that part of the bookmark in with any color of acrylic paint. I decided to paint that part of the bookmark gold. When you're done painting the bookmark, pull it off of the paper so it doesn't get stuck to the paper when it's dry. When the paint is dry, you want to put a hole into the bookmark with a hole puncher. And just like the other bookmarks, you want to get a piece of ribbon and fold it in half. Then you want to take the ends of the ribbon and run them through the back of the bookmark. And then you want to pull the ends of the ribbon through the loop, and you're all done. And that's how you make these bookmarks. In the comments down below, let me know which bookmark is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!